Download CamScanner and launch it. Find an item or a document you want to scan and press the camera button. You may also upload a photo from your smartphone or camera. You may notice that an object in the photo was not captured straight. The application can detect the object or a sheet of paper and outline its shape. If the trace goes beyond the object, which we plan to scan, grab its corners and adapt to the shape, which you are interested in. Once the object is outlined correctly, press the arrow. The application straightens the image up automatically and scan quality selection is displayed at the bottom. You may select different color options based on your needs. Once you've selected your version, confirm it. Your image was saved in the application. You may change its name anytime and edit it if necessary. If you decide to use the file in another location, you may share it wherever you want. A useful function is saving and sharing a document in a PDF or Word format.